greatest image that we can possibly be. We want to put our best foot forward. And I feel like that is what makeup is. Makeup, in a sense, is just us trying to put our best foot forward. Now, more often than not, when people do makeup for a date, they're gonna do something supernatural that highlights their favorite feature, whether it's their eyes or their lips, something that makes them feel the most attractive. So I would say makeup and dating are pretty synonymous with each other.
But what about like the baddie looks that we see like on Instagram? I think some girls are using that on a date. Maybe not the first date, but maybe because people want to be. I think the Kardashians have brought this like thing forward, and it's been here for like 10 years where everybody just wants to be overdone, and you're looking like it's obvious you have 10 pounds of makeup on, but you don't care because you think it's glamorous. Tell us, do you think that people are wearing that on dates?
So I do. I think for some people that is the makeup that they wear day to day. It wouldn't necessarily be the makeup that I would wear every single day, but I think that that is what they wear most days, and so they do feel that that is their best version of themselves. I would argue maybe they could wear a little less, but I'm also a makeup artist who focuses on having people wear a little less.
Tell us about a funny, like a New York dating story.
No, not a New York dating story. I'm gonna sit for this. So, I have a couple. I have some good juicy ones. I'll give you the side note. My friends lovingly called him Jim from the gym. You're not putting that in this.
Okay, we won't put it in.
But his name was Jim, and I met him at the gym. So I was working at a gym, and this gentleman was constantly, flexing and making it very apparent that he wanted to go out with me. So I went out on a few dates with him, and he was very nice. And it was around Christmas time, and so he was like, hey, I need to go buy a few gifts for my nieces and nephews, and I need to go to the American Girl doll store, and I'm a man, so I couldn't possibly go to a doll store by myself. So I agreed. I thought it was a cute idea. I've never actually been to the American Girl doll store, so it was nostalgic for me and it was fun. And we go, and he's showing off. He's buying free dolls or whatever, and all of the accoutrements that go with them. And then we go to FAO Schwartz, and he buys like a bunch of stuffed animals from FAO Schwartz for his nephew. And we finish up with that. He had to have spent, I don't know, $1,000, $2,000 on all of these toys. We go pick up his dog, and we go out to dinner, and we have a nice dinner. He's paying the bill, and he looks at me, looks down, picks up his credit card, and goes, I'll be right back. He leaves the restaurant, and I can see him outside the window, and he's on the phone. I'm like, okay, he's on the phone, and he comes back, and he goes, so, the credit card that I've been using all day, yeah, it's my date's credit card from last night. He just put $2,000 worth of toys and American Girl dolls on his date's credit card from last night, also including our dinner.
That's wild. That's wild. That is wild. Okay, this is a very good story. I remember that one from the audition. I liked it.
Yes, I love that story.
Shop Beauty and the City for easy-to-use, cleaner beauty. Join our community at the Patreon. And don't forget to like, and subscribe.